Hey YouTube, CJ with Georgia Astronomy, and a couple of requested videos have come in from both the website and on email. Probably the first one is how to download or what to download for nighttime for N.I.N.A for nighttime imaging and astronomy. This is actually a fairly quick video, so we're just going to blow right through it. First off, you need to go to nighttime-imaging.eu, and from here go right into download. And from download, you will have three choices to pick from. You have releases, you have betas, and they have nightly builds. I would recommend anybody who's starting out is to just go with the releases. They're currently at 1.10, which of course is the recommended. You have both 32 and 64-bit. You have a beta, which is newer things that are coming down the line that are pretty much tested and ready to go. They just haven't been released into version yet. And then on the bottom, you have nightly builds. This is extremely buggy. So I would say if you're just starting out or you're trying to get your feet wet with it, go ahead and go with the stable release, which is this. And if you just click on your download, let her rip down there on the bottom. And there we go. So let's do the open file. Let's go ahead and double click on that. Agree, sign your life away, click install. Yes. Let her rip. Okay, installation successful complete. We'll go ahead and close that. Let's close that out. Now, before we leave here, we are going to, for our plate solving purposes, we are going to have to come back up here to the top. We're going to come over here to documentation. Under documentation, go to release, and here you'll have basically written directions on, it's not going to be exact, but it's going to give you a good breakdown of everything that's in N.I.N.A, how it operates and what you're doing with it. However, for this purpose, we're going to go to advanced topics and then go to plate solving. And in plate solving, this is where you're going to get your data in order to use ASTAP. Now, ASTAP is the recommended plate solver for N.I.N.A. It is by far probably one of the best plate solving routines I've used. I have used PlateSolve 2 as well as All Sky Plate Solver. PlateSolve 2 is more prominent in SGP, which for me I always had a lot of issues with it. It did not play very well, but what does play extremely well, as long as you have your camera and your telescope information entered correctly, is ASTAP. So if you want the ASTAP directories, you need to go here, just click on the handy dandy little URL for hinsky.org. And when you go into that, providing you're using either 64-bit or 32-bit, which everybody should be on 64-bit by now. In fact, if you noticed on the very opening screen, it says if you're going to be using 64-bit architecture, make sure that your ASCOM drivers are also 64-bit. So from here, we're going to go to the ASTAP installer. So let's double click on that. And now let's go forward and let's try to get this. Yes. Cancel. All right. ASTAP setup exe. Here we go. Keep it. Keep anyway. There we go. All right. Finally. After all that. Okay. Run anyway. So there we go. So despite all that bullshit, it is safe. There we go. And yeah, I'm just replacing an old file. So here we go. Hit next, hit next, hit next, install. All right, finally we are done. We can finish this. Now, one of the cool things about ASTAP is it's not only just part of the plate solving program, it also has stacking abilities for live stacking, which makes it kind of cool. So there's a lot of features that are on here that are not just for plate solving. So you will get an icon here on your desktop for it to where you can go in and play with it after you're done. So it's going to be right there. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and X out of that and close it. Let's go back up into here. Let's click and close these. Let's arrow back one time. We're going to go back to the Hinsky site, and then we're going to come here to G17 Star Database Installer. You're going to have to click on this and download it. Okay, so once again, we have a block on it, so let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to keep this file. It's going to pop up over to here. Go to show more, and we're going to report, or actually we're going to say keep anyway. There we go, and then it's going to start downloading into your computer, and we are done. So you may just want to pay attention to where it went to. So if you go to Show in Folder, you'll see that it is in Windows C under Downloads, and if we drop down into the C, this should be under Programs, Program Files, I should say. Yep. Step Setup, Step Database, and there is Step right there in Program Files. So just remember, it will drop down into Program Files for you. All right, that's it. That's how you download it. From there, we're done. And next video, we'll do the actual setup.